Yes, and you can start.
Good evening, everybody. Today, I would like to talk about life challenges. We live our lives facing various challenges. Seeing us born into this world is also a big challenge. We have to face all those challenges willingly or unwillingly. The challenges were from person to person because the way they look at society, the way they look at problems, their level of society as well as their level of education are different from each other. As before, every moment we are born into this world feelings like a challenge to me. As we grow slowly, we have many opportunities to be at risk. So there we are protected by our parents. They too cannot be with us forever. So they get us used to it. Then we then we focus preschool education as well as school education. Those are also a special moment in our lives. As a student, we face O-level exam challenge in our school period. Firstly, I think that is our first challenge in face our life. That is a turning point to our life. We must work hard to win this challenge. Then we face second challenge in our school period, that is a A-level exam. I think that is next turning point in our life because that A-level exam decide where go our life and what we do next to our future career. All A-level students ambition and challenge is a pass the A-level exam and university. That is a very difficult challenge. It can win this challenge. After selected to university, we can get degree. After that, we can found a good job. We have to face various virus, social diseases challenge, and bad weather situation in our life. Not only education challenge. As a latest example, we can see this COVID-19 pandemic situation. That is a global pandemic. We cannot face that global COVID-19 pandemic too yet. Medical specialists found vaccine for COVID-19 virus. That is a big turning point to win this pandemic. In my opinion, is every moment we live in is a challenge. So if we want to win them, we have to help it very well. So thank you very much.
Okay, Buddha, very good day. Very nice. The next chance goes to Saimi Freddy. Saimi, are you ready? Then you can start. Okay, actually, here's a power failure. So I can't see your messages for the moment. So I'm now working on it, which means I'm going to start the class from my phone too because my laptop's screen is damaged and it doesn't work. So instead, I'm using a external monitor and a sort of LCD one and LCD one. So until I do something about that, If you are ready, you can start. Whoever ready, you can start. Give me a second until I start from the phone. I'm in the class. Okay, I don't know if there's anyone who is ready. You can start, because I can't see, as I said at the moment, I can't see the phone. I mean, I can see the name list or anything. So until I have to do something. Actually, I'm now working on it.
Recording in progress.
Okay, now you can see, I think there are two Tharaka Kotlavlers here. So you have to send a message to my second one, that is co-host, not the host, but to the co-host. You can see the mic. The person speaking is the host, and the person, I mean, the person means it's all me, who is silent, is the one now I can see the messages from. So Simon, Randi, Pasan, or the others, once you are ready, let me know, because I think this power failure has affected everyone, many guys. So I think even they are not here. I think those who are joining from the phones only can survive at the moment. That is why most of them are not here. So those who are already here, can start when you are ready. Okay, Lamai. Now, as I said, if you are ready, send me a message to this one. This, then now you can see that I'm speaking here. So this one, you have to send a message and start now. Hurry up then.
Sir.
Students, you are not messaging to me, message me to the correct one. මට message වන්න පුතේ වන්න ඕනේ මේ දැම්ම ඔයාලට එව්ව ready කියලා එකක්. තාර කොතල වල දෙකක් ඉන්න ඔයාලට පේනවා මම හිතන්නේ. ඒ තාර කොතල වල දෙකෙන් හරිද? මගේ හරියකට එවන්න ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන්ට මට messages වන්න ඔක්කොම මගේ අනිත් එකටයි. මගේ laptop එකකින් ඉන්න එකට laptop එකේට මට එන messages මෙලා පේන්නේ නැහැ. මම කිව්වා phone එකේ තියෙන එකට එවන්න කියලා. pen ready ඔයගොල්ලෝ ready වුණාම unfortunately තාම ඔයගොල්ලෝ try කරනවා struggle කරනවා මගේ ron එකට message දා පා ගන්න බැරුව මම දැන් ready කියලා ඔයගලන්ට message එකක් එව්වේ එකයි ඒකට reply කරා නම් හරි එයාව බලලා හරි otherwise you have to stay there like the same way ඔය ගැටලුව එනවා දිගටම ඉන්නකො මම raise hand එකක් දාන්න ඔන්න මේ බලන්න නෑ දැන් raise hand කරලා තියෙන බලන්නකො තාරකොතල වල එක අන්න එකට reply එකක් දාන්න යාව select කරලා
Sir, I cannot.
they still you have the same problem ගොඩක් අය තාම මට message එකක් මේකට එවන්නේ නෑ ළමයි තාම මට ආවේ නෑ and also once you are ready you can talk then you don't have to wait for anything just unmute and speak that's all if you all can hear me එහෙනම් ළමයි ඉස්සලම කියන එනවද නැද්ද කියලා
Yes,
can you hear me
sir.
not එහෙනවද නැද්ද
I can hear you.
yes okay basically you can start with that.
Okay, sir. Question poem. Holding both historic and religious significations. Question poem is an annual Buddhist festival which is celebrated island-wide in order to commemorate the arrival of Buddhism to Sri Lanka in the 3rd century BC. All Out Festival happen all over Sri Lanka. Mihintala provides the grandest affair. The Mihintala rock outcrop is believed to be the place where Buddhism was first introduced in Sri Lanka after a meeting between the Buddhist monk Mahinda and King Devanampiya Tissa took place during the holiday. Thousands of white-clothes pilgrims ascend the 1,843 steps to the mountain peak temple of Prague. Other activities during Poson Poya include lighting lanterns, cooking feasts, and sharing with others and Buddhism teachings. There are also exciting celebrations in nearby Anuradhapura where the famous temples come alive with tradition festivities. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Next chance goes to Yenuki.
Good evening, my dear teacher and my dear friends. Today I am talking about party politics in Sri Lanka. Party politics is an essential feature in a democratic form of government. The people with various political views from parties to raise their voice. In Sri Lanka too, there are several political parties. The two major parties are the United National Party and the Sri Lanka Freedom Party. These two parties are founded on the principles of democracy. The Sri Lanka Communist Party and Lanka Samasamaja Party are considered as left parties, but unlike the UNP and the SLFP, these parties have never had the privilege of forming a government. It is because the people of our country never really on their principles, except on a few occasions, even these two major parties were not able to form a government of their own. As there are many races of people, the major parties have to listen to their voices as well. Therefore, their assistance too is needed in forming a government. Even today, we have a coalition government in Sri Lanka. So I'm finished.
Very good. Next chance, Sayumi Ranavir, you can start with the Sayumi.
Today I'm going to talk about life challenges. Okay, simply challenges means something that needs great mental or physical effort in order to be done successfully and therefore test a person's ability. So, according to my point of view, I think our whole life is a challenge. Our whole life is full of challenges. So when we are talking about these life challenges, I can see there are some types of challenges. There are some types of challenges. Earlier, I said our whole life is challenged, as we all know, and all of us have feel this. Our whole life is challenge. Why I am saying this? We have heard that also in our Buddhist philosophy, we have heard that it's very difficult and it is very challengeable to have a